Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to clone a dashboard in Grafana. Now, the first thing I want you to do is just log into Grafana, and here on the left-hand panel, you can click on Dashboards to see all your dashboards. You can manage these. So click on the dashboard you want to go ahead and clone. I will click on this one, and all you actually have to do is come here where it says Save Dashboard, right? Don't click on this. Click on this drop down next to it, and you'll get these options. Just click on Save as Copy, right? And then you can name the copy anything you want. I'll just leave it as Tutorial Copy. We don't need to add a description, and we'll leave it on the same folder. Then just click on Save. Okay, there you go. The dashboard has been saved. Now, if I come here to Dashboards, I actually have two. This one is a clone. So there you go. That is how to clone a dashboard in Grafana.